everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. First step, make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. Once you're sure that it's updated, open Facebook and log into your account. Then, press the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then press the three dots beside Edit Profile. At the bottom part of your screen, you'll see the option to turn on professional mode, so just press that button. Here you can see that professional mode means that you get paid for your content, you can see content insights, and many more. Now you can press start with levels, but I chose explore on your own so that you can see the different settings and options under professional mode. Here you'll just have to finish setting up your profile, so you just have to enter different information. You can also see here the insights of your post, other tools such as monetization, and many more. And that's how easy it is to turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.